अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान से यूएसए तक के तमाम लोगों को मैं सारा खान आज हाजिर हूँ लाइव। हमारा आपसे वादा था जाने का फॉर ग्रैंड गाला 2020, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो मेरी टंग है, आई एम फेसिंग सिवियर काइंड ऑफ माउथ अल्सर्स. सो आई रिक्वेस्टेड माय बडी Samreen Masroor, and it's just like a news channel that we are trying to शो यू कि हम जो है वो स्टूडियो है और हम लोग साथ साथ जो है वो वहाँ पे हैं ऑन लोकेशन. समरीन हमारे साथ हैं. आई एम सॉरी अबाउट माई मे बी आई एम नॉट सो क्लियर इन टॉकिंग, बट समरीन क्या हो रहा है? विदाउट फर्दर अडू टेल अस प्लीज.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So we are right here. I'll switch the camera so they can see around. So we are right here. It's our welcome area, and we have quite a number of stalls. Show you.
Keep your phone closer to yourself.
Okay, I hope you all can hear me. And
Yes,
so yeah, it's a lot of happening for the day. We have a lot of different variety of stalls. We have things that are in West. We have things that are handmade. Like this is our first one. These are these little kids who have started their own startup, and they're doing printed shirts, and they can actually customize them for you. The shirt that I'm wearing, I'll show you in a minute. The shirt that I'm wearing is
awesome, amazing. This looks great. It's really
so
nice.
This shirt is customized by them for me. So yeah, these are the kids who are doing. They're the 9th Avenue. Then we have Style Friendly.
Can we ask them a question?
Sure. Would someone want to talk to on live? Would someone like to talk on live? They don't want to talk. They're shy.
Oh, okay, they are shy. That's okay. So,
okay, so this is Style Friendly.
Where's the mastermind of this program, Rahila Jeddi? If she is around, you can talk to her.
She's around. I could just hear her. Just give me a minute. Hello, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good, Rahila, and I'm sorry I wasn't able to make it to your grand gala, though I was really excited. But
it's okay. We wish you all recovery from those. Inshallah, you'll be fine. You look so unwell, Sarah. Please do take care of yourself. So you are here virtually with us, and Samreen probably is going to give you a virtual tour. Over to Samreen.
Rahila, I want you to show your face so that everyone can see who is the mastermind. Okay, you all are wearing the same kind of shirt. That looks nice.
Sarah, I have a tagline too.
Wow, this is so nice. This is so nice. I love it.
So what do you want Rahila to say? What question do you have for her?
Rahila, I want you to tell me that what makes you go extra mile to support these small businesses and provide them this platform of through Metanoia.
Sarah, I feel so blessed that this is the time when everybody is so worried about how things are going to move, how they are going to survive. We don't know till when this COVID will remain with us. But this is the survival strategy we all have to find out. किसी ने मुझे बहुत दिनों पहले कहा कि अगर कोविड से नहीं मरेंगे तो भूख से मर जाएंगे. And then I realized कि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम सब वाइट कॉलर जॉब करते हैं और बहुत सेटल्ड हैं अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ्स में, मगर उन सारे लोगों का क्या जिनका ये पेशा है, तो हम सबको उनको सपोर्ट करने के लिए कोई तो कदम उठाना था. And alhamdulillah, I'm glad that we have done it, and all of us present in this Nadia Cafe and the people who have come, I'm so grateful to all of you, and Sarah, to you for promoting our work, for doing it even virtually for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rahila, because Pakistan se USA tak is already doing Chule Asman, so this platform was really important for us
Farah,
make
you will get to hear so many stories, so many people who are actually going to tell you from a very small setup how they want to live their dreams. So please, अगर समरीन थोड़ा थोड़ा हर किसी के साथ 8 मिनट या 30 सेकंड्स की आपकी जरूर बात करवाए, आपको बहुत सारी स्टोरीज मिलेंगी। यहाँ पे इतने यंग बच्चे हैं सारा, जो ए लेवल के हैं, जो यूनिवर्सिटी के हैं, जो अपने एक्सपेंसेस को मीट करने के लिए उन्होंने ऐसे ऐसे वेंचर्स स्टार्ट किए हैं और उनकी क्रिएटिविटी, आई एम सो अमेज्ड एट इट and I wish them luck and I
wonderful.
pray sincerely for everyone who is involved in this. तो जरूर उन
That's
सबको
wonderful.
ऑन बोर्ड लें और उनकी स्टोरी सुने सारा। तो ये जो आपने काम स्टार्ट किया है छूले आसमां, which is going to give them a lot of promotion, I'm sure.
That's for sure. Thank you, Raila. And Samreen, please take us to the tour of this Grand Gala so that we can see how these young budding entrepreneurs.
Thank you so much, Sarah. I'll see you towards the closure then. Thank you.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Okay, so we'll start off. As I showed you, these kids who don't want to talk, which is okay, but they're doing a good job. This is another store that we have. This is all stuff that is imported from the US. Although the owner of the stall is not here, by the way, she sent somebody to represent, and then they have stuff which they're selling. So it's from shoes. I am Sabrina. Can you just have 2 minutes? I'm live. Thank you. So yeah, this is, I'm so sorry, there was something with the media. And yeah, so there are people buying, they're busy. This is another one that we have. Would you mind talking to live? Okay, this is Poshak. Hello. And this is the owner. We want you to tell us that how did you come up with this idea and what, you know, motivates you to keep going?
Yeah. So, hello everyone. Poshak is all about reviving cultural apparel. So, around here you would see a selection from around states of Sindh and Punjab. There's Balochi work. So, I just want to make sure that while we are moving towards a lot of solids and plains, we also know what our cultural heritage is. So, here you can see it's like a plain shirt and dupatta with a Susi shalwar.
This looks beautiful, amazing, awesome work.
So, it's very
The
contemporary.
best to Poshak.
So this is what Poshak is all about, and you can drop by on our page as well. It's Poshak by NV, Nuzhat and Babar.
Okay,
For
great.
sure,
Thank you.
we'll join your
Thank
page.
you. This is Sarah, my favorite stall. These are with these little kids. Samir, I'm not wrong. This is Woody Wood. Samir, can you move this side? The light's actually reflecting on your face. Yeah, now, Samir, we want you to tell us why did you come up with your own startup and what are you doing?
We have two motives that we were working upon. First was that usually people think that art and painting is very underrated in their mind, but we want to revive it through our woodwork. And secondly, हम women empowerment पे काम कर रहे थे, तो we came up with the idea कि हम लोग क्यों ना ट्रे के ऊपर हम लोग उसको कास्ट करके हम लोग उसके ऊपर शीशा लगा के हम उसको पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हैं.
So, is your name Samir? If I have heard
Samir,
it.
yes. His name is Samir, and this is Sarah, what they're doing for women empowerment.
Okay, Samir is an A-level student.
He's asking, are you an A-level student?
No, I'm a university student.
He's a
Wonderful.
university-going student, Sarah.
Acha,
He's
you-
into his undergrad.
You have started working and you have started your own startup. You will go a long way, Samir. All the best to you. Wonderful work.
And then we have Myra. Hello, Myra. Myra is doing semi-formals and formals. Myra, would you like to say something about yourself, about why you started off?
I am mom of 2 kids, and I thumbs up to everybody there because especially for the home-based businesses, is good. And I'm working in semi-formals, informals, and casuals as well. You can look up the page, Facebook and Instagram, and especially some of my.
You can. We can see a single one. Which was your best piece? Let's do your best
Every
piece.
piece is
I know, but there is one that you would always want to keep to
This
yourself.
one is velvet one, which has organza. I would like to show that
I
I know.
know.
This is
Thank you
really
so
nice. This is really nice. Wonderful.
much.
I like the
One.
colors.
So, you know, imagine Sarah, a mother of two, working on such startups is amazing.
I can imagine how difficult and challenging it would be for her.
So that you can speak.
Okay.
So, Sarah, can you hear us?
Yeah, now I can hear you. It's a little weak. My
Marshall,
internet
internet issue. Sarah, can you hear
is
us?
a little weak. Now I can hear you.
Okay, so this is from Peacock. What's your name?
Tasneem Sheikh.
Tasneem Sheikh. Miss, how did you start up? How long has it been?
मुझे एक साल हुआ है स्टार्ट किया हुआ यानी कि करो ना जितने साल का है उतने साल की है मेरा बिजनेस है we both
Of the same age.
we are the same age or maybe we were born on the wrong time this is I've been doing for 1 year printing I've always been passionate about it तो उसके मेरे लिए एक पीस मेरे लिए पेंटिंग के बराबर है
Exactly.
मैं पेंटिंग करती हूँ और अब मुझे ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग के साथ मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता पेंटिंग करने
Oh, great.
but
I
enjoy
love
this.
block printing and I love the dress that you are wearing. It's beautiful.
Great.
ये एक एक
And I love her. I love her energy.
और मैं ये बनाती हूँ
इसको ना आप थोड़ा सा इस तरफ ले आए so that we can see because मैं वहां आ रही हूँ ना तो इंटरनेट नहीं आ रहा. Sorry. This is all handmade, Sarah. See,
this is napkin ring
you can use it as napkin rings.
okay and this is the tea candle holder
See. Okay, thank you.
It's beautiful. I must say that
So we'll
every
talk
piece
to
is
people,
unique and
Sarah.
and this is the gift wrap for
Exactly, they are very pretty.
thank you
Thank you so much. So see, Sarah, their business is 4 years old. Exactly. So we're moving on to UNS, Apparels by UNS. Who would like to speak? So we have a lot of women empowerment, Sarah. So,
yeah,
किसने idea दिया ये सब?
women have superpower. They can do anything.
Exactly.
तो लोकल से स्टार्ट किया था फिर यही सोचा कि उसमें थोड़ी कस्टमर से कंप्लेन आती है तो उन कंप्लेन्स को खत्म करने के लिए अपनी ब्रांड लॉन्च की और आज हमारा फर्स्ट डे है लॉन्चिंग का फर्स्ट डे हमारे आज लॉन्चिंग हुई
Great. Sarah, this is their first day of business?
एज अ ब्रांड
Okay, as a brand. So this is their rack. They've done quite a lot of stuff from Western to contemporary and to Eastern also. And then, yes, so they have quite a lot of it. Moving on, Sarah, this.
So there are quite a
is-
few garment spots
Who
here.
do we have here? Exactly, there are quite a lot. I'll show you some jewelry too in a minute. And the beautiful jewelry, by the way. And क्या सोच के काम शुरू किया?
क्या सोच के
What made you work? एक होता है ना? Okay, so see, people start like me. Sarah, मैंने भी time pass के लिए शुरू किया. But then,
कोई बात नहीं जब आपको एक डायरेक्शन मिल जाती है तो you people just move on and go ahead and make your dreams come true.
टाइम
wow. चले काम करते हुए. And they also have. Sarah, can you hear us?
No, Samreen, the voice is cracking. It's not clear. The internet
Uh,
side maybe.
It's just because of the internet, Sarah. I think we won't be able to cover all the stalls this way. Because
Okay,
of the
just tell
internet,
me
when I
something.
enter, when I go inside, the internet cracks.
Okay, just tell me the like
Yes, Sarah?
overall view and tell me how many stalls are there altogether.
Okay, Sarah, there are 23 stalls. I want you to meet somebody who's made her first sale today. We want you to share your feelings as of how
And
your
Samir,
first painting got sold.
your brand? What about your brand?
Because I made my
Sarah, can you hear us? Sarah, can you hear us now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, great. This is the girl who sold her first painting ever here. And I wanted her to tell how she feels. So share how you feel, how you enjoyed it.
Yeah, basically, I'm a self-taught artist, so knowing that somebody actually liked my work, and I'm taking professional classes, that was a great feeling.
Exactly.
And one of the great things is that basically the couple who bought it, they were really well, so they bought it for their home interior, so that's really great. That
I'm
my
so
painting
proud
is
of
something
you.
that they could.
So proud
So
of
she's
you.
home taught, Sarah. That's one thing very amazing. This is my stall. So yeah, again, as I've told you, I started off with a little of enthusiasm. Okay, let's do something. And that's how I did it. And see, there are a lot of people buying, selling, and a lot of different stuff going on.
That's great. Can I see you, Samreen? Can I see you?
Just give me a minute. I want to show you something. I hope you can see. This is
Yes,
a
I can see
special
you.
stall that has come directly from Hyderabad. And they
Wow.
have all these organic prints.
This is
Okay.
something
And
new.
then we have a set of girls who are doing their home family based achar and chutneys. And
Okay.
they're very apt and very nice. I'm going to buy a few jars from them
So
after
you have
this.
variety. You have variety of things to be sold, and there are people who are excited to start
Exactly.
their career and start make their future from here. And Metanoia has provided them this platform. So I'm really amazed and happy.
Exactly.
And I just think, so, I mean, if it would be possible for me and my time will allow me, we can go live again sometime later.
I exactly couldn't hear you much because of the voice tracking, but I think this is a good initiative that you have taken, Sarah, for Chulu Asman and Rahila. On the other hand, for providing all of them this platform where they are, you know, in a safer environment when everybody is very scared of Corona. See, everybody is following SOP and wearing a mask. And we make sure everybody wears a mask and they do not roam around without one. And there are guards also who come in and tell you to wear the mask.
So,
So,
so
and we have our
can we,
wait a
can we
sec,
get
Sarah.
your
I just have one
contact?
official photographer to share.
Mhm.
And Fatehab, who's covering our event.
Hello, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good, Fateh. How are you? I'm so
Great
happy to see
इवेंट बहुत मजा आ रहा है सुबह
फतेह,
से
आप मेरे
सुनने
लिए
के
एक
कितना
काम
अच्छा
करिए
क्राउड आ रहा है और लोग बहुत सारी चीजें पसंद कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे
फतेह, आप मेरे लिए एक छोटा
सॉरी
सा
आपकी
काम
आवाज
करें
नहीं आ रही
सबके छोटे छोटे क्लिप्स रिकॉर्ड कर लें हम अपने पाकिस्तान से यूएस तक पे पोस्ट करेंगे इस
बिल्कुल
सब के
बिल्कुल
बारे में
बिल्कुल दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग
बारे में
श्योर श्योर
वंडरफुल वंडरफul
Chalo,
thank you so
Fateh, I've
much
got another assignment there. So he's shooting for us. We'll let you. We will give you the posts and everything. So I don't know if Rahila wants to say something at the end because I am done giving you a tour. Rahila, would you like to say something at the end and end it?
I want to be at the gala's day. Sarah, I want to take you. Sarah, I want to show you this gala Panaflex, which we have created. And I'm glad that Samreen has been a great, great help. She's been my right hand, my partner in this entire plan, and a great support emotionally, physically, to all aspects. So if you could see, we have incorporated all the logos. The tiniest
wow
one, and it demanded a lot of work. So each one of
wow
them got the promotion, got the recognition for their work. So I'm sure you
Raila,
have so many
hats off to you.
stories.
Hats off to you. You have gone extra mile out of your coming, like you have such a busy schedule every day, and now you're doing this and helping these
And
people out.
it takes so long for me to make people realize that, oh my God, this is not my profession, this is a passion. I am an academic head, and but I'm so glad Allah Ta'ala has made me like this, and I will continue to serve them. Inshallah, inshallah. Thank you so
I'm
much.
so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. And thank you, Raila, for joining us. And I'm
I'm
really
so
sorry
humble.
to make it. It's really painful. That's why otherwise I would have been here with you.
Sarah, I would like to make a request. Is there any possibility that we could have this live streaming on our Metanoia page also, so many people could see that? Thank you so much. Yes.
La-
Bye. Allah Hafiz.